Hi, I'm Lisa. Welcome to Lelesdesigns. Today, I will show you how to place a custom design on any shirt. For this tutorial, I will be using the Barbie shirt. I will show you 5 different ways to apply a design to a shirt, so be sure to stay tuned to see them all. I'll show you how to do it with stencils, puff paint, stamping, Avery Transfer Paper, and Cricut Machine. I also will include some free SVG and PNG pictures that will fit on the Barbie doll shirt. And if you like, just enlarge it to fit on other shirt sizes. You will find the download down below in the description. Also, you will find in the description a video link on how to make these Barbie shirts. These shirts are easy and quick to make, so be sure to check it out. Without further ado, let's get started. The first thing I want to show you is how to paint a design on these t-shirts. I will be using the stencils I got from Amazon. They were $7.98. You get 20 sheets that are 5 by 7. What's nice is the stencils are just the right size for Barbie shirts. You also get a lot of stencils in this kit, but keep in mind you get a lot of repeated designs. I will list a link down below in the description if you'd like to purchase them. For this project, you will need a piece of cardboard. Mine is about 2 inches. Make sure it fits inside the shirt. Alright, figure out where you're going to place your design. I'll place mine about right there. And you can use acrylic paint. I'm going to pick this glitter finish acrylic paint only because I want to try it out. But you can use any acrylic paint. And that's how simple it is to use the stencils. Let me quickly show you how to do this a different way. I'm just going to use a scrap piece of material and this disappearing ink pen by Dritz. I'll list it down below in the description. I'll trace out the star with the disappearing ink pen. What's good about using this pen, if you make any mistake or it's not centered on the shirt, just apply water and the ink will disappear. Let me show you with this spot. I'll dab some water on it. You should wait till it dries, but I'm going to go ahead and use a paper towel to speed up the process. Paint your star. If you have any purple showing, you can go ahead and wet it after the paint dries and the purple will disappear. For this next demo, I will be using a puffy paint and I will be drawing out a letter B. And I'm going to use my disappearing ink pen. This way I can make sure I lined it up okay. You don't have to do this process. And you can put a heart or any logo you'd like to. I'll try it on the doll and see if I got it centered. Put it aside to let it dry for 4 hours or according to your packet. Next up, I'll show you how to do stamping on the t-shirt. To do stamping on your doll shirt, you need to use an ink pad that is permanent and waterproof. I got this mini set on Amazon, and I'll list a link down below in the description if you'd like to purchase it. You will need rubber stamps that are about 1.5 inches or smaller. I picked up these stamps at Michael Craft Store. They were only 99 cents and you get 4 in a pack. They are a 1-inch square. Place a cardboard inside the shirt. This way it does not bleed to the other side. Set it aside for 10 minutes to dry. Then we will heat set the ink. We will iron on the back side of the stamp. Lay a piece of cardboard down first. Set your iron to the highest setting that your material can handle. Make sure your steam is off. And you want to iron for 3 to 5 minutes. This process will help the ink set into the fiber. Let it cool down before placing on your doll. If you want to find a logo or a design for Avery Transfer Paper, Cricut Machine, or any die cut machine, head over to Google, type in what you're looking for. I'll type in Adidas and then I'll type in PNG. I prefer that format as it works for a lot of programs. Click Enter, click Images, then click Transparent. I'll choose the first picture by clicking on it. Then I'll right click on the mouse. Click Save Image As. You could rename the file if you like. Then click Save. I'll show you how to upload your design to Cricut. Open Design Space. Click Upload. Click Upload Image. Click Browse. Find the design you downloaded and click it. Click Open. Being this is transparent, I'll choose Simple. Click Continue. Click Continue again. Choose Save as a cut image. Click Save. Click your image, make sure it's highlighted. Click Insert Image. And this is too big for the Barbie doll shirt, so we'll change the measurements. Go up to the top and make sure you have the lock on. Then put in the width, which is 1.191. Now click the height and it will automatically put in the measurements for you. Now click Make It. And don't forget to mirror image. Remove the backing from your heat transfer. Then remove the center of the letters. It's best to roll the plastic sheet and the center of the letters will lift. If you use a weeding tool, you might damage your transfer, being the letters are so small. Fold your shirt in half. Lightly press down. This will make it easier to center your design. Grab your heat transfer and find the center. Then line it up with the crease. This little iron here is pretty nifty for doing crafts or for the Cricut. It also has a steam, but I don't need it for the Cricut. I'll list this down in the link down below so you could easily find it, as well as this quilter cut and press. And if you look on the other side, this is for the cutting and this is for the pressing. This is nice to just throw it on top of the table. And these grids make it easy for you to line up things. Like if I did need this, I could line it up and easily find that line there. Right. That's it. Let me get it on the doll and I'll show you what it looks like. The last one I'll show you is how to use iron-on transfer paper. We'll head over to avery.com. Click template, then click find a template. You want to scroll down and click the plus sign that says view more. Scroll down a little more and click fabric and t-shirt transfer. Click light t-shirt transfer. We will be clicking upload a design. Choose select and customize. Then select file. Choose your design. Hit open. Click apply this design. Now click onto your design and you will see the polka dots. Go to the left and make sure there's a check mark in the lock aspect ratio box. Then click on the width box and put in 1.90. Click onto the height and it will adjust it automatically. Go up to the top here, go to zoom and enlarge the picture a little bit. And then you want to move your design by clicking on it and move it up to the top. Click preview and print. Choose print. I'll choose don't save. Click download PDF. Choose save file. Hit OK. Find the Avery download PDF on your computer. Open it up. Click property. I'm going to choose plain paper. Avery states you should use photo paper matte, but I found my image to have splatter ink until I used the plain paper. And being my image is black, I chose text. If you have color, I would then choose photo. Click OK, then choose print. Make sure you load your paper in the correct direction. You can see how clean this printed out. Let me show you a side-by-side. Left is the plain paper, right is the premium paper matte. You can see the splatter ink on the premium paper matte. The plain paper is clean with crisp lines. Now grab your shirt, fold it in half, and then we'll press it. Now with this crease, I'll know where the center of the shirt is. I'll also use this pin to know where I want the bottom to go. I can put this on as a square shape on a Barbie doll because it's small and it won't be a big deal. But when you put it on a child or an adult, you want to cut the shape out, otherwise it will affect the look of your design. What you want to do is cut around the design and leave a little bit of white, and don't worry because it will come out clear. I'm going to fast forward this video so I can move this along. For the letters, they're too small to cut out individually, so I'll just cut it in a square shape. Once you got it to where you want it, go ahead and press it. Make sure your steam is turned off. Put that aside until it cools. After it cools, just grab one of the edges. This came out really nice. right, let me get it on a doll and show you what it looks like. Now you know 5 different ways to apply a logo or design onto your t-shirt. And this same process can be placed on leggings, dresses, onesies, tote bags, etc. Go have fun creating, and please send me a photo. I'd love to see what you created. You can send your photo to my email that is listed below, or you can tag me on Instagram at Lelesdesigns1. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more of my video, be sure to hit the subscribe button along with the bell. This way, you'll be notified when my next video comes out. And please share my video on your social media. This way, I can continue to offer free patterns. Thank you. Bye-bye.